In a strategic move to counter escalating tensions in the hotly contested South China Sea, the United States has formally committed to providing 30 state-of-the-art Mark VI patrol boats to its longtime ally, the Philippines. This significant decision aims to fortify the Philippines' maritime defenses against potential threats posed by Chinese vessels navigating the disputed waters. The Philippine government has warmly welcomed this commitment from the United States. Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro emphasized that these vessels would play a pivotal role in safeguarding the nation's sovereignty. Teodoro stated, "These ships will give the Philippines a stronger capability to counter threats from Chinese vessels." The delivery of these cutting-edge patrol boats is slated to unfold gradually over the next 3 years, strategically positioning them in 3 key areas of Philippine territorial waters: the Sulu Sea, Mindanao Sea, and the West Philippine Sea. The South China Sea has been a simmering cauldron of international attention for years, characterized by overlapping sovereignty claims, particularly between the Philippines and China. Disputes over the ownership of islands and reefs have not only sparked tensions but have also raised concerns about the security and stability of the region. The Mark VI patrol boat, a swift and formidable maritime asset, comes equipped with a formidable array of weaponry, including machine guns, cannons, and missiles. Boasting a maximum speed of 40 knots, these vessels are capable of carrying up to 20 personnel. The advanced weaponry and state-of-the-art navigation systems on board are poised to significantly enhance the Philippines' capabilities for maritime surveillance and law enforcement operations. As of now, China has not officially commented on the United States' decision. China has consistently asserted its sovereignty over the South China Sea, deploying various measures such as constructing military bases on islands and atolls in the region. This move by the United States not only influences regional dynamics but also reverberates on the global stage. Neighboring countries, including Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia, are likely to reconsider their security policies in response to this escalation. Additionally, the reactions from nations outside the region, such as U.S. allies Japan and Australia, will be of significant interest. Security analysts view the delivery of 30 Mark VI patrol boats as a substantial step in supporting the Philippines' foreign policy. This move is a clear signal from the United States that it remains committed to supporting its allies in Southeast Asia and ensuring regional stability. While this military enhancement may lead to an increase in tensions in the South China Sea, especially considering the expected response from China, it could also serve as a catalyst for diplomatic dialogues among involved parties. Such dialogues may seek mutually acceptable solutions and prevent further escalation in the region. This move by the United States is not only influencing regional dynamics but also having repercussions on the global stage. Neighboring countries, including Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia, may reconsider their security policies in response to this escalation. Additionally, reactions from nations outside the region, such as U.S. allies Japan and Australia, will be of significant interest. With this military enhancement, many anticipate a potential increase in tensions in the South China Sea, especially with the expected response from China. However, this action may also serve as a catalyst for further diplomatic dialogues among involved parties to seek mutually acceptable solutions and prevent further escalation. In conclusion, the United States' decision to provide Mark VI patrol boats to the Philippines is not only a crucial security measure but also a pivotal element in the ever-evolving geopolitical dynamics of the Asia-Pacific region. This development will be closely monitored by the international community due to its potential to impact tensions and stability in the South China Sea.